Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Monday, September 15th, and this is my analysis for gold, and we are on the 4-hour time frame. So on gold, we definitely have a lot of consolidation right here, right at the 138% Fibonacci retracement from a little bit of a higher time frame. But for me, it definitely looks like a wave one, wave two, and a wave three. We can't really say the wave three is over because it hasn't broken down yet, but with all that consolidation, there's probably a pretty good chance that it is over. If it is over, then it's probably going to make an extremely overlapping pattern, probably very, very similar in time to this pattern over here for like a wave four. And then I would expect to see at least another push up for wave five. So I don't really think the uptrend is over. I mean, yeah, maybe we might be going into a sideways down movement, but that sideways down movement should just be a pullback to the last wave up, like a wave four. So going down to the 1 hour time frame, I mean, I guess it's kind of up to you whether you want to try to assume that the wave three is over because we do not have a break and hold below structure yet. I personally would still be recommending longs. There's really nothing to say that this may not go back up and retest the highs. Now, if it does break down, then great. Start looking for shorts on pullbacks because this wave four will likely last several days, and there should be several nice short opportunities if we can confirm that we really are in this wave four. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.